Issues that dental implants help us correct are if you're missing a single tooth, we can replace that tooth with a single implant and a crown. That way we don't have to damage the teeth on either side by cutting on them to make a multi-unit bridge. If you're missing multiple teeth, we can put in several implants and either do a bridge or single crowns. Normally we would do a bridge just for the strength that it provides. We have patients that have dentures that they've worn for years that maybe move around, that are ill-fitting, and we can stabilize those dentures by placing implants and snapping the denture over the top of the implant for retention. We also have a product that's called a Fix-on-6. That is about as close as I can get you back to your natural teeth if you're missing all of your teeth. That is a restoration which I really believe is a very nice restoration in that you don't ever take that out of your mouth. It's removable by me, the doctor, but that stays in place. So again, it gets you to that point where you're about as close to your natural teeth as we can get you. Give us a call so we can evaluate your situation. It's a free consultation. We'll do a CT scan to determine your bone levels and where we can place these implants, and we would love to help you.